Hey guys, it's Danielle with Patriots. Earlier this week, I was visiting the warehouse and realized we have an overstock of our Heroes Heritage flag. So it got me thinking, why not give a few of these away in honor of Veterans Day? Each Heroes Heritage flag is uniquely special. They are handmade right here in the United States by veterans who have firsthand experience of what sacrifice and service truly means. They're hand-carved, hand-stained, and hand-charred, then hand-boxed with a certificate of authenticity to verify their quality and origin. Here at Patriots, we honor our veterans and the active duty military. Our mission is to champion freedom and self-reliance, and we take pride in supporting and giving back to those who've served and their families. The American flag is a beautiful symbol of our freedoms that are protected by veterans and active military serving. And giving you the ability to proudly display this flag in your home is one small way we can honor retired and active military. So, Veterans Day this year, we're giving away not one, but 3 of these beautiful flags. All of the details about how to enter are in the description below. Don't miss out on the chance to win one of these handcrafted Heroes Heritage flags because the giveaway is only open for a few days. Scroll down to the description of this video and click on the giveaway link. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. I hope you have a wonderful Veterans Day and good luck.